Imagine tech giants like Meta and OpenAI offering $8 million per year just to hire top AI talent. That's not a typo. This is happening right now, and if you're curious how you can ride this wave, listen up. Purpose: instant jaw-drop reaction that connects to audience aspirations. Today, we'll unpack the real story behind the AI talent war. Why big names are spending billions, what it means for everyday people, and how you could earn $140,000, $200,000, or even more starting now. Big tech is in a frenzy. Meta recently offered up to $20 million annually to top AI researchers to leave OpenAI. This includes $100 million signing bonuses for the elite. Why? Because the global talent pool for AI experts is tiny. Only about 2,000 elite machine learning engineers worldwide. And it's not just Meta. Companies like Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon are pushing record-breaking salaries and benefits to land the best. The stakes? Massive AI-driven future profits. It's not just corporate drama, it's a gold rush of opportunity. Here's how it affects you. Number 1. Salary explosion. Roles like AI engineer, ML engineer are now starting at $114,000 to $130,000 plus annually. Number 2. Entry via tech bootcamps. Not all roles need a PhD. Online learning, hands-on prompt engineering, or data labeling can be entry points. And number 3. Remote plus freelance. You can earn $50 plus per hour as a prompt engineer or AI chatbot tester. No startup capital needed. Here are 3 high-growth, high-pay AI roles you can begin. Machine learning engineer builds models that drive AI products. Average pay approximately $119,000. AI search optimization expert helps AI understand search queries better. Average $130,000 to $190,000. Generative AI e-commerce consultant. Use AI to run Shopify, Amazon storefronts. Average $80,000 to $105,000. Plus, long-term trends show AI job postings doubled in early 2025, still making up 10 to 12% of all software roles. Here's a step-by-step plan. Skill up. Take Coursera AI Engineer or learnprompting.org for prompt engineering basics. Build a portfolio. Use ChatGPT to generate prompts. Test AI responses. Showcase a case study, EDG. Built a prompt set that improved GPT response quality by 30%. Apply on sites, check Upwork, PromptBase, and Remotive for prompt testing gigs. Network. Smartly join LinkedIn groups like AI Freelancers USA. Post your work and land clients. Even Amazon CEO Andy Jassy admits AI will shake up jobs, but also create more, especially in AI development and robotics. And recruiters reveal 1 in 4 tech roles now require AI skills, GitHub, NLP, MLs, showing the seismic shift at the heart of hiring. The message is clear. AI isn't the next job threat. It's the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. The question is, will you adapt? Start building AI skills, earn $50 plus per hour freelance, or aim for 6-figure roles. Click like if this opened your eyes. Subscribe to Smart Sense. We'll show you how to turn AI change into your paycheck. Ring the bell to catch tomorrow's breakdown on $500 per day AI side hustles. Smart money starts here.